guys, welcome back to my channel. I am back with you guys for another company, and this company is NSI America, and their job role for this job is a technical support. It's $27 to $28 per hour, full-time contract job. And the qualifications for this job is technical support, 5 years preferred, U.S. work authorization preferred. Full job description provides on-site field support to customers, including installation and servicing and repairing systems and equipment, verifies and applies operational quality of system equipment, resolves customers' issues in the areas of hardware installation, repair, upgrade, and maintenance, assistance in investigating and resolving complex installations and maintenance matters of significance, instructs customers in the operation and maintenance of system equipment, ensures issues are referred to the appropriate personnel service areas for following up, testing, and troubleshooting, access liaisons with customers on administrative and technical matters for assigned projects, performs analysis and analysis and prepares reports on system problem trends and issues. The job is full-time contract. It's a salary of $27 to $28 per hour. It is an 8-hour job shift, you guys. Ability to commute, relocate to Plano, Texas, 75024. Lively commute or planning to relocate before starting work required. And experience, once again, is technical support, 5 years preferred, but it's not required. And they're hiring for 3 candidates for this role. They're originally hired. This got posted today. So if it sounds like something that you would like to do, jump on board with NSI America, the company's name, and the job role will be technical support, $27 to $28 per hour. Now, the next job that I will be going over with you guys are with this company. Is called Infologitech, and the job role for this job will be help desk analyst, $20 to $25 per hour. It's a contract job. And experience, you have to have help desk, associate's degree, COLP, TIA, A+, and if you need your certified certification for this, then you can get it. The qualifications is high desk, 3 years required. Help desk, 3 years required. And customer service for 2 years required. Full job description. I hope you're doing great. Job description is a help desk analyst role. Job duration is 5 months, tip to permanent potential. Available to do occasional after-hour support. Weekends, weeknights and weekends as needed. Desk work, answering trouble tickets via web or phone 100%. And A+ certification preferred, Microsoft HDI, KCS, and or ITIL certifications are plus. Education, minimum of 2-year technical degree or equivalent work. Required skills, Android, you have to have skills in working Android, architecture, Cisco, customer service, and customer service training. Thanks in regard, Pushpa Nath. This is a contract job. Once again, it's $20 to $25 per hour, 8-hour job shift. And experience to see once again, it's a remote position, hired from 1 candidate. It just got posted today. So it sounds like something that you would like to do, working for Infologitech, the company, and the job position will be help desk analyst. Then you guys can go ahead and apply. I will leave you guys the link in the description box below. And good luck with that job, and keep on going. This next job is InMoment. This company called InMoment, and the job position for this job is technical support specialist. The software is work from home position. and you will have to have the experience and skills with market research for a job skill and Google Suite. And the benefits for this job, you have a whole plethora of benefits: 401k matching, dental insurance, disability insurance, employee assistance program, flexible scheduling, flexible spending account, health savings account, life insurance, parental leave, unlimited paid time off, and vision insurance and work from home. Your opportunity: we are excited to welcome a technical support specialist to join our dedicated global technical support team. You hit the ground running to help provide technical and customer service support to InMoment customers and clients by adding your own personal touch. In this role, you can have an immediate impact in a high-growth environment. With the projects and initiatives ahead, the role demonstrates a smart, hardworking, and passionate individual to hop on board. You will be troubleshooting and clearly communicating solutions to customer issues in a user-friendly and professional manner by phone, email, or chat. We value our employees and encourage each person to contribute their ideas for improvement in both daily procedures and long-term goals. This is an entry-level position with the opportunity to launch your career in a fun tech environment in the movement CX space. We are at InMoment. We have a saying: own the moments that matter, and we live it. As a team, we recognize that every moment offers a new opportunity to make an impact and leave our mark. We take deliberate action to make the lives of our families, teammates, clients, and community better within every interaction. And we are dedicated to our game-changing mission of Experience Improvement XI, helping our clients improve experiences at the intersection of value, where customer, employee, and business needs come together. We constantly challenge the status quo in the customer experience CX, employee experience EX, and market research MX, and product experience PX industries with our hyper-modern technology platform. Decades of domain authority and global teams of experts, and we have more innovation in store. Are you ready to own the moments that matters with us? Who you are, prior experience working in a technical support role for a minimum of 2 years would be awesome. Strong ability to learn new technology and wrap up quickly. Ability to work in a high energy technical team environment as a team player. Positive and energetic phone skills. Excellent listening skills and strong writing skills. Tech savvy. This is a tech company after all. And what you'll do communicates if not over communicates effectively and effortlessly with internal and external customers. Exceptional interpersonal and decision making skills. Understands deadlines and goals, and can operate with a sense of urgency without sacrificing quality. And there's a plethora of the things that you guys can read all about this job. This job is very good. And it just posted. And if you guys want to hop aboard and get on and apply with this company called InMoment, and the job role will be technical support specialist, software, work from home. It is paid at $17 an hour. It's remote positions it's based out in Atlanta, Georgia. So that'll be all for my videos for today for these great, wonderful jobs that are here lined up for you guys each and every single day of the week, except for Sundays. But I might be posting on Sundays sooner or later too, eventually. But right now, we're at Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. And I will see you guys on the next video. Hope you guys found this to be resourceful. Give me a like, subscribe, comment down below. And you guys have the best day. And I'll see you next time.